What if you could solve complex math problems faster than a calculator using only your brain? Today we are unlocking 7 ultimate mental math shortcuts that will change the way you calculate. Grab a pen and paper or just use your brain. Let's get started with our first trick. Let's start with the easiest and most satisfying trick, multiplying by 11. Here is the magic rule. Simply split the 2 digits of your number and place their sum right in the middle. Let's try 35 times 11. Split 3 and 5. Add them together. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Place the 8 in the middle and your answer is 385. Next, 42 times 11. Split 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Put the 6 in the middle and the answer is 462. But what if the sum is greater than 9? Let's try 75 times 11. Split 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. You place the 2 in the middle and carry the 1 over to the 7, making it 8. The answer is 825. Finally, 89 times 11. Split 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Put the 7 in the middle and carry the 1 over to the 8, making it 9. The answer is 979. See how easy that is? You just solved complex multiplication in seconds. Now let's move on to the magic of multiplying by 9. Now let's learn the easiest trick of all. Multiplying by 9 using your fingers. Here's how it works. Number your 10 fingers from 1 to 10, left to right. To multiply 9 by any number, simply fold down that finger. Count the fingers to the left for the first digit, and the fingers to the right for the second digit. For example, 9 times 3. Fold down finger number 3. You have 2 fingers on the left and 7 fingers on the right. The answer is 27. Try 9 times 6. Fold down finger number 6. 5 fingers on the left, 4 fingers on the right. The answer is 54. Now 9 times 8. Fold down finger number 8. 7 fingers on the left, 2 fingers on the right. The answer is 72. Finally, 9 times 4. Fold down finger number 4. 3 fingers on the left, 6 fingers on the right. The answer is 36. This finger trick works perfectly every time. Now let's tackle numbers near 100 using this powerful Vedic math trick. Here's the method. Find how much each number differs from 100. Then add or subtract crosswise for the first part of your answer. Finally, multiply the differences for the second part. Let's try 97 times 98. 97 is minus 3 from 100, and 98 is minus 2. For the first part, subtract crosswise. 97 minus 2 equals 95. For the second part, multiply the differences. Minus 3 times minus 2 equals 06. The answer is 9506. Next, 96 times 94. 96 is minus 4, 94 is minus 6. First part, 96 minus 6 equals 90. Second part, minus 4 times minus 6 equals 90. Second part, minus 4 times minus 6 equals 24. The answer is 9024. Now for numbers above 100, 103 times 104. 103 is plus 3. 104 is plus 4. First part, 103 plus 4 equals 107. Second part, 3 times 4 equals 12. The answer is 10,712. Finally, 99 times 97. 99 is minus 1, 97 is minus 3. First part, 99 minus 3 equals 96. Second part, minus 1 times minus 3 equals 03. The answer is 9603. This base 100 method works like magic. Now, let's master the secret to squaring any number that ends in 5. Here is the rule. Take the leading digit or digits and multiply it by the next higher number. Then, simply slap the number 25 at the very end. Let's try 35 squared. The leading digit is 3. The next higher number is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, just append 25. The answer is 1225. Next, 65 squared. The leading digit is 6. The next number is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Append 25. The answer is 4225. Now 75 squared, the leading digit is 7. The next number is 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Append 25. The answer is 5625. And it even works for 3-digit numbers. Let's try 105 squared. The leading digits are 10. The next number is 11. 10 times 11 is 110. Append 25. The answer is 11,025. Remember how we squared numbers ending in 5? Well, there is a broader, even more powerful trick for that. If two numbers have the same first digit and their last digits add up to 10, you can solve them instantly. Here is the rule. Multiply the first digit by the next higher number. Then, multiply the last digits together. Finally, just combine the two results. Let's try 43 times 47. The first digit is 4. The next higher number is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. The last digits are 3 and 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Combine them and the answer is 2021. Combine them and the answer is 2021. Next, 62 times 68. First digit is 6. Next is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Last digits, 2 times 8 is 16. Combine them to get 4216. Now 81 times 89. First digits, 1 times 9, 8 times 9 is 72. Last digits, 1 times 9 is 9. But wait, you must always write it as 2 digits, 0, 9. Combine them to get 7209. Combine them to get 7209. Finally, 34 times 36. First digit is 3. Next is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Last digits, 4 times 6 is 24. Combine them to get 1224. Next up is one of the most practical tricks in mental math, the double and halve method. Here is the secret. If one of your numbers is even, you can cut it in half and double the other number. The answer stays exactly the same, but the math becomes much easier. Let's try 16 times 35. 16 is even, so cut it in half to get 8. Double 35 to get 70. Now 8 times 70 is a much easier 560. Watch what happens with 24 times 25. Halve 24 to get 12, and double 25 to get 50. Still not easy enough? Halve 12 to get 6, and double 50 to get 100. 6 times 100 is simply 600. Now 14 times 45. halve 14 to get 7, double 45 to get 90. 7 times 90 is 630. Finally, 18 times 15. Halve 18 to get 9. Double 15 to get 30. 9 times 30 is 270. This trick turns impossible-looking problems into simple ones. For our final trick, let's master multiplying by 12, 15, and 25 using simple fraction logic. Here are the rules. To multiply by 15, multiply by 10, then add half of that result. To multiply by 25, multiply by 100, then divide by 4. And to multiply by 12, multiply by 10, then add double the original number. Let's try 16 times 15. First, 16 times 10 is 160. Half of 160 is 80. Add them together, 160 plus 80 equals 240. Next, 32 times 25. Multiply 32 by 100 to get 3,200. Now simply divide by 4. 3,200 divided by 4 is 800. Now 45 times 12. 45 times 10 is 450. Double 45 is 90. Add them together, 450 plus 90 equals 540. Finally, 24 times 15. 24 times 10 is 240. Half of 240 is 120. Add them together. 240 plus 120 equals 360. You now have a complete toolkit of mental math shortcuts. It is time for the ultimate mental math challenge. Let's see how many of these you can solve in your head. Question 1. What is 64 times 11? Question 2. What is 9 times 7? Question 3. What is 98 times 96? And question 4. What is 16 times 25? Pause the video right now, grab your pen, and use the tricks we just learned. Drop your final score in the comments below, like 4 out of 4, and let's see who mastered these shortcuts. If you found these tricks helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing math magic. See you in the next video.